So hello guys and welcome back to our channel Vlogging Warriors. So today I am not in the screen. Instead of that, I have done screen recording of my Poco M3 smartphone. So today I'm not going to do any unboxing or any review video. It might be a review video but not any unboxing video. Why? Because many people have done this unboxing video, so I thought it will be boring. So instead of that, let me tell you some tricks and tips about this phone. Not so big tricks and tips, but like how we can do in a shortcut way instead of going a big thing. And few people will be not knowing how to do it also. So in this video we'll be telling about that. And another thing is we'll be doing an giveaway of the Poco M3 smartphone, as you saw in the last video. We'll be telling the announcer in the winner in the end of the video, so watch till the end. So first thing is how to change your wallpaper without going to settings. So first of all, in your home screen, just tap for 2 seconds and there will be a screen opening and it will be shown wallpaper. So once you click that, it will reach to your wallpaper, and then you can go to your profile and you can click wallpaper and you can select any wallpaper which you want. This, so once I can see the down option called apply. So once I apply, it will show set as lock screen or home screen or set as both. So I will click set as both. So once I click set as both, it will, so you can see here it has happened. So this is the first trick. So let's move on to the second trick. So now it is loading and it is showing wallpaper applied. So let's go back. So you can see here it has been happened. So let's see trick number 2. So guys, in trick number 2 we are going to see how to change your, once we scroll down right to on mobile data and Bluetooth, so that is called the central bar. So now it is in the old format. So now I'll show you how to change it to your new updated format. So this is the old format. So first go to your settings. So I'm going to settings. So as you can see, go scroll down, you can see display. So then after coming to the display, you can see there is a light mode and dark mode. You can select those also. It will help you to battery save things. And down you can see there is an option called control center notification shade in the system settings. So just click that and you can see, you can just scroll down in the task status bar. You can see use new control center in the fourth option. It is disabled. So once we buy phone also it will be disabled, so we should enable it. So just enable it. So now I'll be enabling. So I've enabled and now it has been applied. The new status bar is been applied. So as you can see here, this is the new control center. So not only this, you can shift these things. Like now suppose you can see screen recording, cast, everything is shown here. Now suppose I want a hotspot in the first option. So once I click in the top button, it will show you these options. So just touch upon the app application you want first and drag it. So I would like hotspot to have, I just dragged now. So you can see that is in the first. Then I would like to have battery saver, so that came the second. Then not only that, you have top, at the top bottom it is written done. So once you click that done, and then only it will be applied. Now you can see I click the done. So you can see here I got a hotspot and battery saver. Then after that only the screen recording and cast option is there. So this is the trick number 2. So let's see trick number 3. So guys, the trick number 3 is, now you can see I have 5 applications front of my screen. Now I want these 5 applications to make it into in one group as one folder. So how will I make? So let's see that also. So First, just tap on your screen or just keep your finger on the screen for a second. So once you keep your finger on your second, it will show these options like this. So I would like the 5 things to do. I will do all 5. I'll just click it. So once you click, you can see at the top there it will be written folder. So once you click on the folder, down there's a 2 folders empty. So once I click empty, it will become empty and one more folder will be created. So as you can see in the top, there are 2 folders now. One folder which I made before and the other folder which I made now. As you can see here, these 5 things have come. So this is how you make as groups. So this is the trick number 3. So let's see the trick number 4. So guys, I forgot to say one thing. Not even we can make only as groups, you can make a shortcut also. So how you will make shortcut is the same method. Once you keep a hand for a second, you can see widgets option. So once you click that, you can see many shortcuts like for cleaner, like that many things are there. WhatsApp, status, everything options are there. What are the application present in your phone, that all will be shown in widgets. As you can do, just click it and do it off. Another thing, you can do transaction effects, like now suppose I swipe right and left, I can move like how I want. So like that you can just change to your effects. As you can see down, there is many types, round, circle, everything. So once you click that, you can keep in that effect. So that is the trick number 3. But now let's go to trick number 4. I just forgot to say you this thing. So guys, the 4th option is not about any trick or tip, just I will say you a small thing about it. So once you open settings, you can see there are many things. So just click about phone and you can know most of the information about your phone. How much is your GB, RAM and storage, everything you will know. So there are many things like you can see here. So whatever options you want, you can just enable or disable it. So like that, even Wi-Fi, now this phone is having like Wi-Fi calling, so it is a big thing, right? If you don't have balance in our phone too, we can do a Wi-Fi calling. Another thing is sleep or awake. So there's another option called double tap for wake up and turn off screen. So I have enabled it before itself. So once you tap double time on your screen, the screen will wake up. Then again double tap, it will get off. So that is the thing. And like that many options are there. So today's winner, so this is the last thing. So today's winner, I'll just say you know. So guys, the winner of this phone is Suhaib Ahmed. So congratulations Suhaib Ahmed, you have won this Poco M3 smartphone. And don't forget, once you watch this video, within 24 hours please send us an confirmation email or a reply email, so that we will send this phone by your post. Just send me your address and all, so we'll be sending this phone by your post. So sorry for the delay guys, and don't feel upset that you did not get this phone. We are having many things to do giveaways, so we will be doing giveaways, so try to participate in everything. So once of all I'll just congratulate Suhaib Ahmed. So let's wind up the video today. Let's see another fantastic video next time. So thank you.
Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.